Have you ever noticed how two people can face the exact same situation and one stays calm and grounded while the other one unravels? It's not that one cares less or feels less. It's because one has learned to lead their emotions rather than be led by them. Emotional intelligence is not about being positive all the time or pretending that everything is fine. It's about understanding the language of your inner world so that you can respond consciously rather than react unconsciously. Because at the core of emotional mastery is one powerful truth. You can't control what happens to you, but you can transform how your nervous system interprets what's happening to you. The term emotional intelligence gets used everywhere, in leadership, in education, and even in parenting. But real emotional intelligence goes much deeper than empathy or self-control. It's the art of tracking your internal state with precision and recognizing that emotions are not enemies to fix, but messages from your unconscious mind asking to be acknowledged. Every emotion carries information. Anger can signal a boundary's been crossed. Fear, a need for safety or preparation. Sadness can signal a loss or a detachment from meaning. And joy signals alignment. When you stop judging emotions as being either good or bad, you start hearing what they're trying to tell you. You stop suppressing your emotional data and start using it as a compass. That's what makes emotional intelligence such a predictor of success, and not just in business or relationships, but in well-being, influence, and self-trust. Here is where NLP and hypnosis give us a unique lens. Emotional reactions don't begin in the conscious mind. They begin as unconscious association, past experiences wired to present triggers. Your unconscious mind doesn't distinguish between a real threat and a remembered one. It just runs the pattern. So, when your partner uses a certain tone or a colleague gives critical feedback, your system might instantly react, not to them, but to a moment years ago where you felt powerless, unseen, or unsafe. And this is why emotional regulation through logic doesn't work. You can't reason with a pattern that wasn't created logically. Instead, you must communicate with the unconscious through imagery, logic, and state. And that's where the process of chrono shift comes in, helping the mind reframe memories in time so that the body no longer reacts as if the past is happening now. That's emotional intelligence on a different level. And it's not managing emotions, but transforming them at their source. Think of emotions as energy in motion. They're waves that rise, move through, and release. When we resist them, they stagnate. When we express them unconsciously, they spill onto others. But when we meet them with awareness, they integrate. That's what happens when you breathe through frustration rather than react. When you listen to your fear without judging it. When you pause before responding in a heated moment, you're telling the nervous system, I'm safe now. You can choose differently. In those moments, you're not suppressing emotion, you're leading it. And that leadership ripples outward. Your calm becomes the mirror that helps others regulate too. This is one of the practices that we teach in the Mind and Soul Mastery Method, where emotional intelligence becomes more than a theory. It becomes embodied presence. Because when you lead your inner world, you naturally influence the outer one. Every emotional reaction follows a loop, a trigger, a meaning, a feeling, a behavior, a result, and back again. Most people try to change the behavior, but the real leverage is in the meaning. Change the meaning and the emotions change. Change the emotion and the behavior changes automatically. For example, I feel nervous because I'm going to talk in public can transform into I feel energized because I'm about to share something that really matters. Same physiological state, completely different interpretation. That's how your unconscious learns new patterns, through reframing, not resistance. Emotional intelligence isn't something that you achieve once. It is a daily relationship with yourself. It's built every time you pause before reacting. Every time you choose curiosity over judgment. Every time that you ask, what is this emotion really here to show me? So take a moment now. Think of an emotion that you have been resisting and ask yourself, what message might this feeling be trying to give me? What does it need from me? Safety, action, rest, expression. And how can I meet that need consciously today? Because that's what it means to lead your inner world. Stop being the passenger of your emotions and to be the guide that leads them towards growth, compassion, and strength. And when you master that, your relationships deepen, your leadership becomes magnetic, and your nervous system learns a new language, one of calm power and self-trust. And that is the art of emotional intelligence. Not perfection, but presence.